We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2012 Harley-Davidson CVO Ultra Classic Electra Glide. All the paint and chrome on this motorcycle look immaculate. That beautiful flake, that nice silver pinstriping, and in the vivid black paint, you can see some of those gray accents. Again, that chrome is super nice. Starting up here on the front, we have dual disc brakes. We have engine guards front and rear, and the front engine guard has the highway peg so you can stretch out and get comfortable. Rider and passenger floorboards. That Screamin' Eagle intake. Extra luggage options on that rear engine guard. We also have locking saddlebags and top pegs. Extra luggage rack on the top. Lots of customization options for the passenger and for the rider seats. Passenger has some really nice Harley-Davidson speakers on their backrest, and we have those same speakers on the front. And the dash is just beautiful. And last thing on this bike I'm going to tell you about is the heel toe shifter. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.